Welcome guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. So today I want us to discuss critical issues that is obviously generating a lot of reactions around the political space here in Nigeria. And the first on my list is the issues of the first appointment dished out by the Tinubu's administration, which is appointment for the position of the Chief of Staff and the Secretary of the Government of the Federation. Now, a lot of reactions has trailed this because those positions are key to how the government is going to unfold. So I'll be giving you some details of these reactions that have trailed and why the reactions have been trailed. The second on my list is the issue of the tribunal. Now, yesterday, Peter Obi and the Labour Party have obviously presented some of their evidences to the election petition tribunal for the likes of Rivers State, Lagos State, and Oyo State, some other states like that. So I'll be giving you some details around what happened at the election petition tribunal. Do well to sit back and enjoy these details as I promise to ensure I make it to be short and sharp. My name is Moses.
I'm going to appoint Femi Gbajabiamila as the Chief of Staff. And I'm going to announce George Akume as SGF.
Welcome back. So let's jump right into the first on our list, which is that of the appointment by Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the Secretary of the Government of the Federation and that of the Chief of Staff. Now, these positions are very critical. Of course, if you want to have any direct relationship with the government or any favor from the Tinubu administration, the person you would most likely need to go through is Femi Gbajabiamila. Of course, he has been in government. He has been in the House of Rep for about 16 years. First of all, he was a member of the House of Rep. He later advanced to become a minority leader, and in this last Buhari's administration, he was the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and that of George Akume. George Akume was a governor in Benue State. He later advanced to become a senator, and now in this last Buhari's administration, he was actually the Minister of Special Duties. Now, the reactions that are trailing this is, why will Tinubu go ahead to appoint the likes of Femi Gbajabiamila to be the Chief of Staff? Why? Because people are saying that there was an allegation against Femi Gbajabiamila before he became the Speaker of the House of Reps, an allegation of $25,000 or thereabout when he was actually practicing his law in the United States of America. He was practicing, and I think $25,000 was paid into his account as a compensation for an injury fee, and he never gave the money to the client who had that money, and he left the United States and came to Nigeria, where here he began to contest for the position of House of Reps. So people are saying that this guy has some fraud-related attributes. Why would Tinubu's administration go ahead to give him that? Now, we'll leave that for the Tinubu's administration to decide. But let's jump right into the second on our list. The second on our list is the issue of the election petition tribunal. Now, Peter Obi actually presented some evidence for Lagos State, Rivers State, Oyo State, and two other states like that. Now, when he presented the petition at the election petition tribunal, first of all, the tribunal was supposed to hear the petition of the APM, but they never submitted their petition. So Justice Tsunami went ahead to administer and accept the evidences of Peter Obi. So he submitted results for Lagos State, Rivers State, Akwa Ibom, Edo, and Oyo or thereabout. And as usual, Peter Obi was right in court to monitor and observe the proceedings for himself. Now, Mr. Peter Afuba, who was the lead counsel to present the evidences to the court, did well to present it, and he was the former Attorney General of the Peter Obi's administration in Anambra State. So when Labour Party actually did well to submit their evidences to the election petition tribunal, INEC Lawyer seek to object the presentation, and immediately the judge reprimanded him and asked him to respect the rule of law.
It is shocking to us too that INEC would be attacking their own documents, processes that emanated from them. They are objecting it. Not only that those things came from them, they certified it.
So yesterday, Peter Obi and the Labour Party has actually submitted their evidences for Lagos State, Niger State, Oyo State, Rivers State, Edo and Akwa Ibom, right? So as usual, Peter Obi was right in court to also observe the proceedings, that the tribunal has actually accepted and admitted the Peter Obi's evidence. These are evidences that was given to Peter Obi's legal counsel as ordered by the Election Petition Tribunal. So the evidences were results by INEC given to them. Now, for Peter Obi's legal counsel, these evidences have a lot of disparities as compared to what was submitted on the IRF portal, and that's why they use this as an evidence to compare what was submitted on the IRF portal as to that what was given to them by INEC. So the Election Petition Tribunal rounded off that yesterday on a high note of glamour, where they all agreed unanimously that the case should be adjourned to Monday, being the 5th of June 2023. So you do well to stick around for us to give you more updates on that.